Sorry about that. But this is just getting fun. Oh my gosh. Poop on your face. Oh my gosh. Poop. Right, that's some nice poops. Oh my gosh. It's like, yeah, I'm just chilling here. Are you guys running? Okay, fall in the trunk. Ah, did I get in the trunk? I didn't get in the trunk. But why? Why did he poop in the why did he poop off there? There's like so many other places to poop. Why did he poop off this? Like, what is this? Like, it's like grass or some type of bush. You can pooped in that. You could have pooped in this, whatever this is, some type of electrical machine, something, generator. I don't know. But he could have pooped anywhere else. You poop off, like, off of that, like. That's why. Off of the roof. That's why. Okay, let's just go again. Let's just see what happens. Right in your face. Karate kick. Fall. Trip. Okay, one last poop. Ah, I almost made it. Karate poop! Karate poop! You guys cannot defeat me. Karate poop. Dang. Either you guys cannot look, you guys can't see, or just super clumsy. Oh my gosh, you guys not see that. The guy's over there. What's happening? It's like, somebody help. He's like, this guy right here is like, why? Let's look around what happened. Like, this guy's stuck in a car. What else? Anything else happen? Things probably despawned, that's why. But yeah, there's a lot happening. But I hope you guys enjoyed this hoop video. And like and subscribe if you did. And yeah, bye.